The helping hand. Ouch! Mama Heron hurt her wing and leg on the barbed wire. Mama Heron cried for help. I'm hurt. I can't get back home to my children. But no one stopped to help. Soon, a small kid, Oliver, came riding on his bike and saw Mama Heron. He said, I will help you. Quickly, he cut the wire and released her. The next day, Oliver's mother sent him to the shop to buy bread for supper. On the way, he stopped to play with his friends in the pond. When Oliver went towards the shop, he could not find money in his pocket. It was lost. Oliver was sad and started crying. Why are you crying, Oliver? Mama Heron asked. Oliver said, I lost the coins Mom gave me to buy bread. We shall have no supper now. I will help you, said Mama Heron. Mama Heron's sharp eyes saw the coins shining in the water. She took out the coins and gave them to Oliver. Thank you, Mama Heron, said Oliver happily. Moral of the story: if you help others, they will also help you.